the Rinseroo patented slip-on shower attachment hose. It'll fit a shower head up to about 7 inches in diameter, as well as a sink faucet. It's useful for many purposes around the house, including cleaning shower walls and glass, bathing a pet. The list goes on and on, but one of the very useful uses is to fill a portable washing machine if you happen to have one. Typically what you might be doing is filling a bucket over and over and over to fill this thing up, which is very time consuming and wet and messy. If you have a Rinseroo, the spout is a 1/2 inch inner diameter and it fits most inlets to most portable washing machines that are on the market today. So all you have to do is stick the spout into the source, or into the inlet, I should say. Attach the Rinseroo to your shower head or your sink faucet. Turn on the water, and the water will flow directly into the bin. The great thing is you can walk away, set a timer. It takes a minute or 2 to fill it. So you just come back, it's full, it's ready to go. You throw your laundry in. And then when it's done, you just disassemble it, take it apart. And then when you're ready to rinse, you just reattach it. It saves a lot of time. And it's really a great tool, again, for so many uses around the house.